Hi students, this is your today's class in trigonometry identities. In the previous video, we have completed 1 to 5 sums. In that video itself, I said from 6th to 11th sum, it's an omitted portion. So you are not going to prepare 6th to 11th sum. So it's from 12th sum. Listen to 12th sum. Listen ma, in trigonometry identity, all the sums you need to prove. What's the meaning of proof? Take left hand side and prove right hand side. Otherwise take right hand side, prove left hand side. So all the trigonometry identities only proved sum. So listen to the 12th sum. We need to prove secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A is equal to cos A. Okay, how we prove this? Listen. First, and I will take the left hand side. So what is left hand side? Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. Listen. In previous video, I mentioned you what are all the identities, what are all the conditions we are going to apply this chapter. That condition only we need to use it here. So listen, secant A is the reciprocal of cos A. So 1 by cos A plus tan A na sin A by cos A into 1 minus sin A. Do the multiplication, it's addition. So both LCM is same. So 1 plus sin A divided by cos A into 1 minus sin A. Next, 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A divided by cos A. So listen children, it's in the formula of A plus B into A minus B. So A squared minus B squared. So 1 squared minus sin squared A cos squared A divided by cos A. So cos cancel, we have single cos A, that is right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. See the second sum. 1 plus tan squared A into 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A equal to 1. We need to prove all the left hand side value is equal to 1. See how we prove this. Listen, 1 plus tan squared A. How we convert tan? Sin by cos. So 1 plus sin squared A by cos squared A. It's in the formula of A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B now 1 minus sin squared A. So listen children. So 1 into cos squared A plus sin squared A divided by cos squared A. Here 1 minus sin squared A is equal to cos squared A. Cos squared A cancel. Then sin squared A plus cos squared A is equal to 1. That's all the proof. And then 13th sum is your homework sum. So listen, 14th sum. 14th first sum. 1 by 1 plus cos A plus 1 by 1 minus cos A equal to 2 into cosecant squared A. We need to prove this. How we prove this? What is left hand side? 1 by 1 plus cos A plus 1 by 1 minus cos A. So listen, it's the denominator is not same. So we need to take a LCM. How we do the LCM? Doing cross multiplication. So listen, 1 minus cos A plus 1 plus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Next with addition. So plus cos A minus A cos A cancel. 1 plus 1 2 divided by, it is in the formula of A plus B into A minus B. So A squared minus B squared. So 1 minus cos squared A. So 1 minus cos squared A is equal to sin squared A. So 2 by sin squared A. Next you need to split that. 2 into 1 by sin squared A. Listen, sin is the reverse of cosecant. So 1 by sin squared A is the reverse of cosecant, so cosecant squared A. So 2 into cosecant squared A, that is the right hand side. So here we prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Next, this is 14th second sum. What is the second sum? 1 by secant A plus tan A plus 1 by secant A minus tan A is equal to 2 secant A. Here also we need to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Just memorize in your mind what are all the identities we used. Just you recall the identities and match it here. Okay. So listen. 1 by secant A plus tan A plus 1 by secant A minus tan A. You need to do the cross multiplication. Now how do you do the cross multiplication? Secant A minus tan A plus secant A plus tan A divided by secant A plus tan A into secant A minus tan A. It's an addition. So plus tan A minus tan A cancel. So 2 secant A divided by, it's in the formula of A plus B into A minus B. So secant squared A minus tan squared A. Okay, then secant squared A minus tan squared A is equal to 1. So 2 secant A divided by 1. So that's all the proof. Next, listen, 15 and 16 is your homework sum. 15th sum, 16th sum homework. Listen the 17th sum now. 17th first sum, 1 plus sin A divided by cos A plus cos A divided by 1 plus sin A equal to 2 secant A. How we prove this? First, I took left hand side. 1 plus sin A divided by cos A plus cos A divided by 1 plus sin A. Listen, it's a division, addition formation, so we need to do the cross multiplication. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A plus cos A into cos A cos squared A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Next, listen, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. So A plus B whole square, expand it, A square plus B square plus 2AB plus cos squared A. Okay, so divided by here cos A into 1 plus sin A. So plus 1, listen mom, here 1 plus 2 sin A, sin squared A cos squared A 1 now. Will you understand this step children? Listen, இது வந்து A plus B whole square ல இருக்கு. இத வந்து நம்ம A square plus B square plus 2AB ஃபார்முக்கு எக்ஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். எக்ஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் we have 1 plus sin A plus sin A plus sin squared A and already we have 1 cos squared A. So sin squared A plus cos squared A value is 1. Already we have 1, so 1 plus 1 2. Next sin A plus sin A, so 2 sin A. Okay, divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. So listen children, 2 plus 2 sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Here numerator take 2 as common. So 1 plus sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A cancel. So 2 divided by cos A. How we split this? 2 into 1 by cos A. So cos A is the reverse of secant A. So 2 into secant A. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. 17th second sum, tan A divided by secant A minus 1 plus tan A divided by secant A plus 1 equal to 2 cosecant A. Okay, listen children, left hand side. First I will took left hand side. In the both, listen, both also we have tan A. So I took tan A as common. அப்படியே வெச்சு போடலாம்னாலும் போடலாம், but you have a lengthy process. Better you take it tan A is common. So it's easy to short out. Listen, but tan A into 1 by secant A minus 1 plus 1 by secant A plus 1. Okay, keep it tan A is same. Here do the cross multiplication. Secant A plus 1 plus secant A minus 1 divided by secant A minus 1 secant A plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel out. So 2 secant A divided by, here you need to expand A square minus B square. So secant squared A minus 1 now. Next, 2 secant A into tan A. How is tan A came? Listen ma, this tan A. Tan A into 2 into secant A. அதான் இங்க எழுதிருக்கோம். இங்க secant squared A minus 1 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Tan squared A. So this tan A, 1 tan A cancel. So 2 into secant A by tan A வா. secant A எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Secant A is the reverse of 1 by cos. tan A வந்து sin by cos. அப்ப denominator numerator போறப்ப என்ன ஆயிடும்? cos by sin கன்வர்ட் ஆயிடும். So 2 into cos A divided by cos A into sin A வா. cos A cancel. But 2 into 1 by sin A va. Sin A is the reverse of cosecant A. So 2 cosecant A. This is right hand side. So listen children, up to 17th sum over. I hope you all understand this. It's a fully entirely used of the trigonometry identities. So prepare that properly. If you have just you watch this video once and twice. If you have doubt, ask me. I will send you the class copy, homework, everything today.